Hello students, how are you? I hope every one of you fit and fine at your home. So students, today I am going to start your third video from your chapter number 1. So just you come on the page number 10 and see there the one title is there, RTOS means real time operating system. So you know students, RTOS is designed to handle real life scenario and problems. Such operating system have the capability to prioritize the processes, minimize the execution time and work independently with no interdependencies. So simple meaning here, your RTOS just designed to handle the real life problems with independently, no need to any other dependency. Real-time operating system is used when the time span required to reach to an input is reached at time bound. Even a microsecond of delay will cause the system to fail. So you know students, here in this time we are just in the area of one new technology. So here every second is very important. So somewhere if we are not able to do any work, so that time we have to need that time there. We can just set any type of system which monitor the all things like your air traffic control, robot, weapon system and industry control system. These all system is controlled by one machine technology, that is called RTOS. So RTOS operating system is a two type, hard real time system and second is a soft real time system. So next one is a distributed operating system. So this type of system run on a set of computers that are located in the different geographical areas interconnected by the internet. It control these interconnected system and make them appear as a single computer. It allow the linked machine to access data and software, and this process take over the common network from different computers. So students, here we are just creating a one system for the different geographical area without your human interfere. Means one system controlling the all over areas, different areas of the society with the help of one network. So the network interconnected system with the single computer. So here need of one user interface. If we want to set the any type of system, so that time we have to need just one interface. So here you see students, as we know, interface is the point where two systems meet and interact with each other. Similarly, in computing, user interface refer to the hardware software mechanism by which the user interact with the computer to pass the instruction to it. The operating system of a computer act as a interface through which a user gives commands or instruction to the computer and also receive message from the computer. So students, here in your computer environment, one interface is there, hardware and software. Okay, so just come on next topic, types of user interface. So in this time different interfaces available. So mainly two interfaces here. Various types of user interface have evolved with the advancement in the technology. Here we will discuss the two commonly used interfaces. So first one is your character user interface. So in this type of interface, this interface required the user to type commands in order to interact with the computer system. This type of interface is not good choice for the beginner, as they have memorized a good range of different commands. Character user interface is also known as a CLI, command line interface. A command line interface is placed on the display screen is which commands are displayed in by the user. So students, you just see in this picture right side of your page number 11. So here the main need of learn these all commands in this type of interface. So it is not easy for the beginners, means कि जो start कर रहे हैं, it is not easy for the beginners. Okay, Unix and DOS are popular example of CUI. CUI means character user interface. So next is our graphical user interface, like your window. This interface is graphic based on and interactive in the nature. Different devices such as mouse, keyboard, etc. are used to interact with the system. GUI is more user friendly as like a CUI. It does not require two commands and remember the things. Instead, the users uses different menus and options and communicate with the system. Windows is the most popular GUI operating system. So students, you just observe and you just check out both types of operating system. So at the final time, whenever you reach, so that time you feel which one is best. So students reply maximum time कि sir window is the best operating system because it is user friendly, means it is easy to use and no need to learn more commands in this type of operating system. So in this time it is very popular operating system. So students, here some advantages of GUI and CUI. So in this book, here you see some advantages of GUI and some advantages of CUI. GUI interface is much attractive and appealing, and CUI interface is relatively less appealing. Means here GUI is attract the students audience, and CUI not it is not easy to learn. So that's why people cannot attract with this operating system. Next, GUI easier to learn and more user friendly due to the presence of various graphical elements like icon, menu and button. CUI is a text based, hence not user friendly as a GUI. So very simple, here GUI is the best. And the next difference is here, with GUI user does not have learn a complicated command, and here in the CUI a user required to memorize the commands to operate the CUI. GUI have window that allow user to work, view, control and manipulate the things, and here CUI does not offer the same work to do in many way. Okay, multiple programs at once on the one screen. So after feedback of the students and different areas, whenever persons using the computer, the main ideas and main the suggestion of the persons is GUI is the best and CUI is the tough. So tough things student and not any other try to learn. So some disadvantages here of your GUI and CUI. One is GUI disadvantage is GUI require more system resource to load and various graphical elements such as icon, fonts, etc. and CUI less system resource as compared to GUI. GUI is still a bit slower than CUI as it uses both mouse and keyboard to navigate the control. CUI use only keyboard navigation and operations, often resulting the faster performance. GUI occupy much larger amount of hard disk space compared to the CUI. CUI take up smaller hard disk space. GUI require more RAM to run, and character user interface does not need to more RAM to run. And GUI operating system is more expensive as user have to pay the license fees, and CUI based operating system are less expensive. So here you just compare both operating system is very different and each other. Okay, but one thing, both have different drawbacks and both have different characteristics. So main is here just after this disadvantage and advantage, both is needed.